Hi friends, welcome back to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust image position on your video timeline. Okay, you can see I'm using this mic. This is a Samsung mic, but audio is good. I'm adding a mic image to this place. Okay, we are opening a folder and drag and drop this mic image to here and minimize this folder. Then drag this mic image to here. Then you can see my keys appeared here. Okay, normally we are doing select this image and use this one to adjust the mic size and use this position X and Y to adjust the positions like this. Okay, you can see just doing like this normally. It is not too difficult, but it is difficult. But in DaVinci Resolve you can use another way to adjust the image positions. Now we are adding image here. You can see the little button is here. Just click here. Is transform. This is the option. Select the transform like this. Then you can easily adjust like this, and you can move the image to anywhere. Very simple. Okay, guys. This is very useful. I like this feature, and also previously I'm using Sony Vegas Pro, but I'm switched to DaVinci Resolve. It is very useful. So many functions are very smooth. Okay, I'm recommending all of you. Welcome to DaVinci Resolve editing. It is too smooth and too easy, and you can use many options like this. Okay, okay, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.